How to choose a solar loan. When it comes to financing a solar installation, there are many options available. The best loan for you depends on both your financial and personal preferences. Here are some of the most important factors to consider when picking your solar loan. First, decide if you prefer a secured or unsecured loan. Secured loans offer lower interest rates and greater long-term savings, but require a lien on your property and may take several weeks to get approved. On the other hand, unsecured loans typically have higher interest rates but offer a quicker approval process and don't require that you use your home as collateral. Second, make sure you compare interest rates and terms. The lower the rate and the shorter the term, the less you'll spend in total interest payments, and the more you'll save with solar. And if you're interested in paying off your loan early, make sure the fine print doesn't include any prepayment penalties. Third, think about what monthly payment you can afford. Longer loan terms result in lower monthly payments, but more interest and less savings as a result. If you want to start saving money on day one, make sure your monthly payment and new electric bill will be less than your current bill amount. Lastly, take a look at the down payment required for your loan. If you want to install solar panels with no upfront cost, most solar lenders offer zero-down loan options. On EnergySage, you can easily compare loan options to find the best financing solution for your solar project. EnergySage. Smarter energy decisions.